Number 5. Lume Cube Ring Light. Built-in 3200-5600K color temperature range and brightness to minimize shadows and reduce facial imperfections. The ring light head is adjustable, tilting 180 and rotating 360 degrees. The cordless ring light is designed for on-the-go photographers and videographers with a 6.5-foot stand and carry case. The flicker-free LED light is ideal for vlogging, beauty shots, portraits, stylists, headshots, and more. This ring light with stand kit includes mounts for iPhones, mobile devices, digital cameras, and action cameras up to 10 pounds. Utilize the two included NPF 750 lithium-ion batteries to power the ring light for up to 70 minutes at full power. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. AIXPI 10 Ring Light. LED ring light comes with tripod stand and cell phone holder. This ring light includes 120 bulbs, more than other 8-foot and 9 ring lights, even some 12-inch 14 ring lights. 3 colors lighting mode: cold white, warm yellow, and warm white. Each lighting mode has 10 adjustable brightness. It can meet your different needs. It is compatible with most smartphones with or without a case. The USB ports can be used with multiple devices, such as Connect USB charger, mobile power, computer host, and laptop. The product package includes a 10-inch ring light, a tripod stand, a hot shoe mount, a metal ball mount, a phone clip. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Oversize 10 Ring Light. Oversize 10-inch ring light features 3 light colors: warm, cool white, daylight, and 10 levels of brightness in each color, 30 options in total. You can choose any option in between if there's a perfect setting. Extending from 16-inch to 50, and tripod legs unfold up to 30 wide. 3-way pan head with a convenient handle allows for tilt and swivel motion. You can place your cell phone in the ring to make the most of this circle light. It comes with wireless remote control, so you don't even need to touch your cell phone to start the video or selfie. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Neewer Ring Light Kit. Dimmable 18-inch/48 cm outer 55W 5500K 240 pieces LED bulbs with a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%. Special LED SMD design, lightweight and portable. 61-inch/155 cm light stand is constructed from aluminum alloy, giving it exceptional strength. White and orange color filters are made of high light transmission plastic material with steady color temperature. A hot shoe adapter is compatible with most DSLR cameras and a smartphone holder. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Razer Ring Light. Housing 192 LEDs that produce your ideal luminous intensity. You can choose between a warm white, balanced white, or cool white tone to enhance the overall look and feel of your setup. No matter your room setting or time of day, get the ideal amount of illumination for your stream by controlling the light strength. The Razer Ring Light also comes with a compact tripod stand, so you can install it immediately to existing setups without having to buy more gear. Please check the description for details and best price.